Hello, and welcome to today's session, Learning Outcome. By the end of this session, you will understand how data analysis methods and tools can be applied to transform the car hire industry. We will explore how analyzing data enables car hire companies to make informed, strategic decisions, optimize operations, and improve customer experiences. The assignment is structured into 3 tasks, focusing on data analysis methods, domain knowledge, and requirements gathering. The scenario involves a car hire company's new long-term flexible hire product. Achieving all pass criteria is necessary before aiming for merit or distinction. This ensures a thorough understanding of each component. Let's explore each task in detail. The focus is on analyzing the performance of a new flexible car hire product. Insights from the data analysis team will guide company directors. These outputs support strategic decision-making. The goal is to enhance product performance through informed decisions. Let's see how Task 1 addresses this. Task 1 explores various data analysis methods. It explains the purpose of each method with examples. The task covers data extraction, manipulation, and transformation processes. It differentiates between handling structured and unstructured data. Common tools like SQL, Excel, and Python are discussed. Visual methods and potential issues are crucial for merit. Understanding strengths and pitfalls of visualization is essential. This helps in effectively communicating data insights. Visualization tools can transform complex data into understandable formats. Let's move to Task 2 and domain knowledge. Task 2 highlights the importance of domain knowledge. Accurate analysis relies on understanding the industry context. Users play a crucial role in identifying data sources. User experience principles enhance reporting dashboards. Evaluating analysis influence on user behavior is key for distinction. User experience principles are vital for effective dashboards. These principles guide how data is presented to users. Understanding user needs helps in designing intuitive interfaces. User feedback can refine dashboard features. Next, we explore Task 3 and requirements gathering. Task 3 focuses on gathering requirements for analysis tasks. It explains the process and people involved. Documenting requirements is crucial for clear analysis objectives. Techniques like interviews and workshops are compared for merit. Agile versus waterfall methods are analyzed for distinction. Agile and waterfall methods differ in feedback and scope control. Agile is iterative, allowing for continuous feedback. Waterfall is linear, with defined phases and clear scope. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective requirements management. Achieving higher grades requires in-depth evaluation. Visualization discussions must cover strengths and pitfalls. Requirements comparison should consider stakeholder suitability. Agile versus waterfall analysis should be analytical. Moving beyond description to analytical comparison is essential. Each task requires specific submissions. Task 1 needs professional presentation slides. Task 2 requires a briefing document. Task 3 involves a management report with a requirements section. Clear justification and evaluation are needed for merit and distinction. Task 1 involves creating professional presentation slides. These slides should effectively communicate analysis methods. Visual aids can enhance understanding. Clear and concise slides are essential. Let's conclude with the overall impact of data analysis. Task 2 requires a briefing document for the analysis team. This document outlines domain knowledge and user experience. It should be clear and informative. The goal is to guide the analysis team effectively. Now, let's discuss the management report in Task 3. Task 3 involves a management report with a requirements section. This report should document analysis requirements clearly. It guides management in strategic decision-making. Justification and evaluation are crucial for higher grades. Let's summarize the key takeaways. In conclusion, data analysis plays a pivotal role in shaping strategic decision-making within the car hire industry. By integrating robust analytical methods with in-depth domain knowledge and systematic requirements gathering, organizations can significantly improve the accuracy and relevance of their analyses. This comprehensive approach supports well-informed decisions, ultimately driving business efficiency and long-term success. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 074843616688, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.